Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day, great week, and a great summer. It's pretty amazing. We're going to be coming up to the longest day of the year. What, the 21st, right? First day of summer, longest day of the year. Start counting backwards. This quote's by Richard Bach. To bring anything into your life, imagine that it's already there. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 113, NASDAQ up 25, S&P's up 12.5, all with light volume, folks. We came down yesterday on the NYSE with 734 million on a Monday, which is really unusual in summer. Go up today on 635. NASDAQ Composite. Yesterday you get down on 1.78 billion. Today you go up with 1.6. Bottom line, this market still wants lower price. Gold contract. Gold contract traded down 440, 1,181 an ounce. What gold has done, rejected lower price against once again this morning. Had lighter volume. Gold wants that 1223 area. Building cause to get up to that area. Silver, different ball game. Divergence we have. Silver, down 9 cents, has rejected lower price and continues to reject lower price just like gold has. Bottom line, though, silver, we need some more strength in. Silver is much weaker than gold. Platinum down 670, trading out at 1,080 an ounce. Bottom line, if you're going to buy gold, if you can find any platinum coins, buy them, folks, okay? Platinum has been under gold for quite a while right now. That won't last forever. Copper down 3 pennies, trading at $2.61 a pound. We have light sweet crude was up 46 cents at $60.46 a barrel. Bonds, both the 10-year and the 30-year bounced out here today. Have lighter volume. The 10-year was up 11 ticks, 125.30. 30-year was up a full point, 151.20. In both cases, they are confirmed ABC structures on the way down. You're bouncing again with light volume. The 10-year is yielding right now 2.3%. So bottom line, you want to refinance, you want a mortgage, you're looking for a house, all of the above, go do it, folks. That'll put you into camp of about a 3.9, 4.30-year mortgage, fixed mortgage, that is. King dollar. King dollar up 153 ticks at 95.25. What King dollar is done out here is this. Just does not have the juice to stay at a higher price. King dollar is in a small confirmed ABC structure on the way down. What I expect you're going to see is that King dollar is going to go after its lowest swing point. We'll see whether we get volume as you go after that number. If we get volume when we pass that swing point on King dollar, that would be sending King dollar as a price projection down to the 90 area to 88 area. Euro is at 112.46. It is deviant, no doubt, that you get Greece teetering on the default, but yet when I look at it technically, Euro wants higher price, dollar wants lower price. That could have everything to do with, by the way, of what the Fed is going to come out and say tomorrow at the end of this two-day meeting. The market is not expecting that the zero rate will go to 0.25 or 0.25%. What the market is expecting is that maybe in December we're going to go up, and you can see how this thing continues to get pushed off. But the Fed itself, when that statement comes out, we'll see whether it rocks any markets. I suspect Greece is going to be the biggest deal as we move into the end of the month out here. The Prime Minister of Greece was just coming across so he was just coming across the tape right now. Let's see. He's hurling criticisms at the Greece's creditors, accusing the International Monetary Fund of criminal behavior responsible for his country's predicament. Addressing lawmakers in Athens today, he gave no sign of backing down over Greece's bailout. Instead, he blasted the IMF adherence to austerity and accused the European Central Bank of using tactics that were akin to financial asphyxiation. The situation which this is his quote, the situation in which we find ourselves today is that the IMF positions prevail when it comes to strictness of austerity measures asked, while at the same time the European Union positions prevail when it comes to denial for any discussion about Greek debt sustainability. bottom line is that, we'll see where this whole thing shakes out. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? Let's go to the world of the S&Ps. And the world of the S&Ps, we'll take a look at the SPY, folks. Whether we look at the SPY, whether we look at the diamonds, whether we look at the Qs, they all went higher today, have lighter volume, and it's substantially lighter volume as you get into higher price. And what's the differential here is pretty amazing because of the fact that Monday in the summer, Friday in the summer, you have lower volume characteristics on a daily, on a trend line basis. Today, we went up on 83 million shares. You went down 124 million yesterday. You're going into 135, and you're going into 188. So big numbers, folks. Bottom line, though, market is still up. The 3 Qs, what do we do with the NDX 100? They went up today 59 cents on 16.3 million. That's after coming down with 31 million, and that's actually coming into 44. Bottom line, same type of setup. We go to the IWM. Now, the Russell 2000, folks, has been the best index out there. Russell surged again out here today. We're up 89 cents. You're trading at a price point of 126.42. The high of 2 days ago was 54. This will go finally tag its high. The high that we're talking about is the April 15th high. Hasn't been tagged yet. That's 127.13. That high, by the way, we'll see whether the small caps can do the juice inside it. It's 137 million, but the small caps did 130 million today, and the small caps did have some price projection, wide price spread out here today. It absolutely had it. Dow Industrials, inside the Dow was strong. You had, actually the strongest inside. It had to do, not that there was one stock that was strong. The only stock that was negative inside the Dow today was Caterpillar. Caterpillar was down 54 cents. Every other stock inside the Dow was positive. The thing that's weird about that is that you can see the Dow only being up 100 points when every stock, in fact, was in the positive. Inside the NDX 100, we take a look at the NDX 100 structure, putting strength in it today. The big mover was Monster Beverage. Garmin was second. Monster was up $5.27. Alexa Pharmaceutical was up $3.92. Taken away from it on the way down, Mylan Pharmaceutical was down $1.54. You had Green Mountain off $1.28. American Airlines was down $59, and Vipul Communications. The transports are still in really tough shape. American Airlines is going after a low that's been established out there for a while. Looks like it wants to even get into lower price. We'll see how that handles itself. The UNP, the rails, same type of setup in the rails. Rails also want lower price. The XLE wants lower price. Now, the XLF, different ball game. The XLF looks like that also is going to try to get up into its high, get over that high. We'll see how this test comes in, because the XLF right now, the high that was established 4 days ago last week has some juice on it. That high we're talking about is 25.20 inside the XLF. We did 48 million shares there. You pushed down yesterday with only 33. You're at 26. That high wants to be tested. And inside BRK, let's just see what is finally putting some strength. It's not Berkshire Hathaway. No, Berkshire Hathaway continues to, it's flat, lower price. JP Morgan, Berkshire is the largest weighting structure, folks, inside the XLF right now. It continues to be the JP Morgan is at highs. Looks like that is putting some of the strength inside the XLF. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Dow Industrials finished up 113. NASDAQ was up 25. S&Ps are up 13.5. We're going to be right back.